Hello guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful time while you're studying about beer. In this video, I will explain how we can understand differences in beer consumption. And for that, we can use a practice theory approach. I will start with a question for you. What do you think? I think it's different, and I will use practice theory to show you why. Practice theory understands the word as a collection of practices. Understanding how a practice is structured can be valuable to a company. But what is a practice? Let's analyze this definition together, step by step. First, we define practice as a routinized behavior. You do it over and over. Second, it is formed by different elements. We could categorize them as material, competence, and meaning. Third, the elements are interconnected to each other. We categorize as material the bodily activities, things, and their use. We categorize as competence the mental activities, know-how, and understanding. We categorize as meaning the emotion and motivation. When one of those three elements are not connected, then we cannot say we have a practice yet. It is a proto-practice. A practice is the combination of these three elements. Another characteristic is that the practices change over the time because humans are connecting or disconnecting it with other elements. Now it is an X practice. Okay, three elements, competence, meaning, and material, connected make a practice. But what in fact do these elements mean? Let's have a look at this table. We need a place in order to do a performance, the environment where the practice happens. Hey, could I have something more tropical? Wow, yeah, that's better. It's also about the things that are necessary to do a practice. Additionally, you need a body that it can use the artifacts in a location. In our case, the body is me. Second, what is necessary to know to perform an activity? We need a certain knowledge, know-how, and experience to do a performance. In other words, you need to be competent to do the practice. Some people are capable to open a bottle using a lighter, a spoon, or even another bottle. As you can see, I don't have the necessary skills to open it without the proper tool. What a bummer. I would like to know how to use other objects to open it. Meaning is about the emotions and motivation that are attached to the practice in the moment. Look our case. I'm here drinking at 9 AM and making this video. Everything in the name of science. Drinking here has a different motivation than when I drink with friends or relatives. Same performance, but in different situations, can change the practice. The to drink remains the same in any situation. I need the same elements for it, and the outcome is drink. However, the state of drinking is different because I must adjust it because of a situation I am in. For example, I cannot get drunk here. Who would expect that beer could be so complex? The truth is, beer is more than just an alcoholic drink. It can have different perceptions to several groups. Practice theory provides an in-depth analysis that can be useful to create strategies with more accurate information because it offers important insights about your market. For example, we could use practice theory while we are segmenting the market. We could identify groups with similar ways of doing the practice. I understand that practice theory is a bit complicated. So, if you have questions, please use the forum. Also, interact with the other students. I believe it will be fun and very useful.